Hello, dear parents. Hello, chemistry. Who will answer to this question? Ma'am, these are my tough topics in chemistry. I'll show you the paper once. Check this. 2025 question paper versus Komali ma'am's running notes. I'll revise. Okay. Very good. So you have to revise your running notes. And what I do is, you check it out in YouTube before the examination. This is your habit tracker. Can you see this, everybody? This is your habit tracker. This we don't need to look like perfect hero or heroine over the screen to your parents. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful life. Carrot beetroot juice. What is this carrot beetroot juice? This is one of the best, my favorite recipe. Foundation program. This is completely free classes for you. These classes are, please raise your hand, feel free to ask. I'm completely transparent. I will give my 100% best to you all.
Yeah, ma'am, because my sister is a your student.
Oh, is it? Okay, what's her name? Talk to me, parents. Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Hi,
Hi ma'am, how are you ma'am?
so all my doubts are cleared in today's video class.
Hello, dear parents. Hello. My voice is audible, everybody? My voice is audible? Happy morning, one and all. My name is Komali. I'm your chemistry mentor, my dear students. Before going to start today's session, first I want to know about, what are your tough topics in chemistry? Who will answer to this question? Ma'am, these are my tough topics in chemistry. Parents join faster. Your parents are there in the meeting? There? Come on. Who will answer? Ma'am, these are my tough topics in chemistry. I want this. I want you people to come up and answer to these questions. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who will answer? Just raise your hand. Anil Kumar, unmute. Unmute. Hello, Anil.
Yes ma'am. Good morning ma'am.
Remove the headset, Anil.
Yes ma'am, I am removed.
Anil, how are you?
Fine ma'am.
What are your tough topics in chemistry?
Organic ma'am.
Organic
Yes.
chemistry. In class 12, what are your tough topics? Which concepts
Class.
you feel like these are very difficult for me, ma'am? I can't understand this. Which topics?
Electrochemistry ma'am.
Electrochemistry is physical chemistry, no.
Yes ma'am.
Organic chemistry. You told organic chemistry, right?
Yes
Mm.
ma'am.
Tell me.
In organic, the syllabus is incompleted ma'am for us. I am now to 12th class.
12th class. Okay, fine. Right. Divya, what are your tough topics?
Hello.
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 Hi, Divya.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Tell me, Divya, what are your tough topics in chemistry?
I think organic chemistry, all the reactions, ma'am.
All reactions. Okay.
Yeah, bit
If
confused.
Komali ma'am make you to do all the reactions on your own, you will be happy.
Yeah,
Correct?
yeah.
Happy. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Sivadarshini, what are your tough topics in chemistry? See, I want to know, right? Why you selected me as your chemistry teacher? What are your tough topics? Ma'am, this is very fearful for me. If you teach this particular concepts to me, I'll be very happy. Like that, see, everything you want to learn, I teach you everything. But clearly focus, ma'am, this is my most fearful concept in chemistry. Hmm.
Ma'am, DNF block, the preparation of both Na2Cr2O7 and Fe2 something. So preparation is really tough in DNF block, and B block, it is really hard to differentiate the elements properties. It is really confusing. So basically
Hmm.
inorganic chemistry.
Once again.
Mm.
Preparation of Na2CrO4. I mean, you're asking about potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate
Yes,
preparation.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still, one more thing you told me. What is the differentiations?
Between different elements, if they given some in question, if they given certain properties of elements, the periodic table, and we have to
Hmm.
identify which element,
Which
it is
element?
really
Let's
tough.
say, for example, 115. It belongs to which element in the periodic table?
Yes, ma'am.
118, 100, very easy. All you learn. Okay, that's it.
Yes, ma'am. Inorganic chemistry is hard to memorize the facts.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to eat badam to improve your memory. Huh? Okay, next. Next, who will answer? You have to interact. See, you have to interact with your teacher anytime, today or tomorrow, during a class time, raising your hand, talking to me. That is must and mandatory. You should not sit with a fearful hiding. You see, still students hided your faces with your see, on your camera. On your camera. Important, first, most important condition in a class is you should be visible. You have to talk to me. Attendance is most important. First day class itself, excellent attendance. Huh? Okay, next. Who will answer? Who will answer? What is your most difficult topic in chemistry? Who will answer? Raise your hand. Come on. Why fear? Why fear? Good. Jagapati Babu. Jagapati Babu, so many questions you asked me, no? But before joining, Jagapati Babu, unmute. Hello, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are
Jagapati
you?
Babu, tell me. I'm super. Tell me, what are your tough topics in chemistry?
ఫిజికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో ఈక్విలిబ్రియం మ్యామ్.
In physical chemistry, equilibrium. Class 12 chemistry, tell me. Class 12th chemistry is starting now. Tell me in class 12th chemistry.
కెమికల్ కైనెటిక్స్ మ్యామ్.
Chemical kinetics. Still,
ఇంకా ఇనార్గానిక్ లో కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
you should talk in English. Just try. Just try. No problem. Sometimes I will ask you to explain in your mother tongue. That time you can explain. Remaining all the times, you have to use whatever you can talk. See, I'm not
ఓకే
an
మ్యామ్.
English teacher, right? No problem.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Huh?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Tell me, what are your tough topics? Organic chemistry.
ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ రియాక్షన్స్ మ్యామ్.
Reactions are difficult. Okay. If someone teaches you in a easy and simple manner, will you able to learn?
యా మ్యామ్.
Sure.
షూర్.
If someone is guiding you, this is the reaction you have to do like this, then will you follow and you will practice?
యా మ్యామ్, ఐ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ ప్రాక్టీస్.
Or after 2 to 3 days you show procrastination, no, today I cannot read, like that you do? Or definitely, if someone teach me easy method, I will do it and prove myself. What you
ఐ విల్
what,
డూ ఐ విల్ డూ
def-
ఇట్ మ్యామ్.
you will do it.
డెఫినెట్లీ.
Definitely you do it. Okay.
100%.
Very good. Super. Everybody, what you do is now take out one paper, write today's date, and write all your fears in chemistry. 2 minutes time for you all. Come on, faster. What are your fears? Write in on that paper. Everything you're going to learn, don't worry. But what are your major fears? Which topics makes you scared? Ma'am, these are, if I learn these topics, I'll be very, very happy person. My teacher scolded me when I did the mistakes, when I have done mistakes in these concepts. Like that. Come on. Come on, right. Right. On your cameras, please. Must and mandatory. Interaction is must. Don't hide yourself. And you will be removed from classes soon if you hide. We stop sharing you even class links also. Come on, faster. Very good. Very good. Write the tough topics. Come on. One more minute. Just what comes in your mind. Write everything. What comes in your mind? Ma'am, I don't know aldol condensation. I don't know haloalkanes, haloarenes. I don't know chemical kinetics. Write everything. What comes in your mind? Fear about chemistry? Write. Come on, write. Come on. Finished? Once you finished, show thumb. Show thumb. Do you know how to show thumb? In reaction, show thumb. Once it's done, show thumb. Huh. Smile once and show thumb. Then I can understand. Like this. Smile and show thumb. Ranjit Kumar, In reactions, I didn't say in reactions, smile. Normal. Aha, good boy. Okay, okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. See, 2025 NEET paper. Repeaters are there in class? I'll show you the paper once. Check this. 2025 question paper versus Komali ma'am's running notes. Okay, we will have a overlook one time. This is 2 days before, 2 to 3 days before I asked our students, please send me the screenshot of the running notes. See the NEET 2025 paper, send me the screenshots of our class running notes. Then they have sent me this. I have pasted that in the PowerPoint and just I'm showing you. Clear? Once have a look. Question number 46 to 90 is our chemistry questions. From where to where? 46 to 90. See, this is the question paper and this is the solutions. From it is our running notes, class running notes. These are like A, B, C, D, E will be there. Na? Paper came lengthy, paper came, out of portion also few questions came. But see how much your class running notes helps you. See, that also done. I forgot to place there. Till now, three empties came, three questions. Okay. Those three questions are not in textbook itself, which out of cutoff. I mean, cutoff stops there. Okay. Except these three questions, remaining all the questions are directly from your class running notes. See how excellent it is. Just sit in a class, whatever you write it, whatever you practice, directly came in 2025 paper, which people were saying the most toughest paper. 2024, no need to say. Just in 10 minutes, student used to finish that paper. Full out of out all the questions. So, you have some fears in chemistry, right? Hmm? If I guide you step by step with the running notes, I dictate the notes in the class. Once you understand the topic only, I'll go to the next topic because it's a live, right? I can see your faces. If you're not comfortable with the topic, I repeat again. Again, I teach you, but mostly with my one explanation to explanation itself, you say, ma'am, understood. No need another time explanation. You will say for sure. Just 3 months. Just 3 months you attend the class. June, July, August. Whatever your current year, ma'am, I don't know anything, ma'am. My class 11th basics are not good. Ma'am, I'm a main student. I'm a NEET student. I'm preparing for boards. Whatever exam you are preparing for, your 12th class syllabus you want to learn. This is the best right platform you have enrolled. But why I asked parents to join in this meeting? I can directly start my class that time. I can anyhow I'll give instructions every day. What is the reason I requested parents? Because they should know what is your journey, what's going in chemistry class, how much efforts you put, what is their support. Correct, no? Your parents should know, right? Otherwise, simply they may scold you one day, but they don't know how many organic reactions you are learning in class. Huh? Correct? Okay. I will show you. What are our class timings? What are our class timings? Tell me, put in chat box everybody. Morning, what is the class timing? Come on, faster. Morning class timing. Suddenly, I'll call any one parent also and I'll ask the class timing. What is your chemistry class timing? 6 to 7:30. Very good. Evening class timing, if suppose unfortunately you missed morning class. What is the evening class timing? Not unfortunately. Fortunately, also many students will miss the class. See? Hmm? Evening? Evening class timing 7 to 8:30. For example, you missed morning class, you have to attend evening class 7 to 8:30. No recorded classes will be given. You should not miss the class at any cost. Your class timing 6 o'clock means sharp 6 o'clock you should be in the class. Understand? Clear? Right, very good. You are attending evening means sharp 7 o'clock you should sit in the class. Very good, very good. And during a class, you all has to write the running notes. I'll dictate the notes. For that, you should purchase the notebook. Your wish. Plain notebook, rule notebook, any notebook. Pens, purchase new pens, good pen you purchase like a pilot pen or whatever pen you feel comfortable. Chemistry pens box separate, color pens you have to use, pencil, eraser, sharpener, whatever needed, keep in pouch. Your running notes, your pouch should be next to your table only, bed only, wherever you are going to attend the class, study table or which place you attend, along with you only your chemistry running notes. Whenever you want to revise, immediately it should be next only, you can revise and you can attend the class. It should not be like, yeah, I'll search, ma'am, where my running notes, I don't know. Morning I wake up and search my entire room, my brother took my notes. No, I will ask in a class, show me your running notes. Where is your running notes? I'll ask you. So that time immediately you have to show your running notes. Everybody clear? Will you follow? Easy, no? What is it? Simply put a one running notes. You have to write in class. I dictate the points and I'll show it on this over the screen also. Got it? Got it? And after writing running notes, again I'll share the best running notes to you all. If any mistakes, you have to cross verify. And in on this in same day, what you should do is you have to do one revision. One revision of running notes is important. How many of you will do revision? Put in chat box, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I revise? Shall I sorry, once again, Ruth. Yes, Ruth, there. There. Don't worry. Put in chat box, ma'am. Definitely, I will revise running notes. Definitely, I'll revise running notes. Definitely, I'll revise running notes. Put in chat box. Come on, put in chat box. Definitely, I'll revise running notes. Ruth Merlin, there. I will revise. I will revise. Put in chat box, I will revise. You know how to put message? Chat box, check. I will revise. Come on. I will revise. I will revise. I will revise. Very good. Very good. I will revise. I will revise. I will revise. Super. Still, I need messages. I'll revise. Okay. Very good. So you have to revise your running notes. And what I do is on the same day, I will share you what DPPs I will share you. What are these DPPs? DPPs are daily practice problems. If once I share you those questions, I will do the questions in the class. Again, I'll share you the questions for homework. Just sit and try solving. Every question is such, like, it makes you think and application oriented. Excellent questions. Practice those questions. Homework for you. How many questions you can do? You try. I'll give you around just 10 to 20 questions. That is the range I'll give you homework. Okay, not more than that. You cannot do on in same day. Again, once chapter finish, I'll give you 200 plus questions for you for practice. Entire chemistry material I will only share. You no need to rely on any other source for chemistry. You just follow our classes, it is enough. Do you know? You check it out in YouTube. Before NEET examination, many channels have kept that, most expected questions for NEET 2025. Most expected questions. Today, you go through those channels, take NEET 2025 question paper, and put the question paper front of you, open that video, you spend 1 hour time, and you check how many questions came from those particular channels, you will come to know the reality. So don't attract to the animations and the, what to say, hyper rating of those particular channels. Purely rely on content. Content is most important. You cannot get anything in one day. One night sitting, expected questions, tomorrow exam, 2 days before sitting, and most expected questions I'll get and I'll study and I get good marks. It is you're cheating your parents. What you have to do? Sit in a class, listen to your teacher, make a notes of that, practice. That's it. These two things you do, you will get it. Ma'am, when you are doing questions, solving questions, you will get some doubt, you stuck there. What is the solution for that? Round off those questions. You are solving question, you are getting some doubt. Ma'am, I am not understanding how to solve this question. Circle it, circle and keep it. Then Sunday morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. you will be having doubts clearance session. Okay, that time you post your doubt in the chat box. Take a screenshot, post it. Otherwise, directly you raise your hand, you just post it and you talk to sir and you directly you clear it. Which questions? When I'm not available, that time you get some doubts, right? In that 1 week time, those questions you can clear it on Sunday. Everybody clear? Parents clear how you should clear your doubts, how to attend the classes? Now, coming to the paper, time management is most important. It plays the crucial role. Many of the students, feel difficulty in managing the time. If see paper comes so much tough, that time cutoff comes down. No need to worry at all. You should not solve any question through lengthy methods. Normal, regular teaching, normal in a school or college, you learn, right? General procedure. That if you want to like practice time, it's okay. But always better to use tricks when we are solving the numericals. Okay. So in a coaching, what I'm going to teach you is first I teach you concept, then I teach you shortcut methods to solve the questions. Komali ma'am channel is the one and only channel in the entire YouTube who uploaded 800 plus chemistry tricks. So this is a, if you want to do research today, you can open the channel, you do the research. There is no other channel which have given short tricks, those many tricks. Okay. So what you do is just to follow our class content. This is what I want to say. Next. Ma'am, my birthday, my relative's marriage is there. So 1 week I cannot attend the class. Whatever reason you say, might be the reason is true. See, today many students are absent. See, this is a completely, you if you miss a class, it's missed. Whatever the reason, you should not miss a class. It is completely like your offline class. In school, you go, right? That day if you're absent to the school, you miss the class. Same way it is. So what the first thing you should put in your mind, morning I have my chemistry class, I should sleep early. All your habits comes into role here. Everything, see, within a few days you are going to be like pro in habit making. Okay, if your entire cycle will change. If you're already performing good morning, you're waking up fine, otherwise it will change. I will give you all the guidance. Okay, next, concepts, lack of concepts understanding. When you feel difficulty, when you don't like to solve chemistry questions, was when you don't understand. If you understand chemistry, why you do mistakes in chemistry? 1 or 2 questions, if you do mistakes, that is completely fine, no problem at all. But all the questions, most of the questions doing mistake or not knowing where to start, that is only because of lack of concepts clarity that you will get in chemistry. And our classes, always I talk to you, you talk to me, you talk to your friends. This interaction always will be there in the class. That will make you to feel very much active in the class. Smile one time, everybody. Smile. अरे वाह, super. Very good, very good. DPPs you will get. DPPs you get. First, June month, what you are going to learn? June month, what you are going to learn? Tell me. You should have a clear idea. June month, what you are going to learn? Physical chemistry. Complete physical chemistry you are going to learn June. And July month, what you are going to learn? July? July? Organic chemistry in July and inorganic chemistry in August. June, July, August. Clear? And what are our class, morning and evening from Tuesday to Saturday? Monday completely holiday for you. Sunday completely holiday. Sunday you will be having doubts clearance session. That is optional. If you have a doubt, you attend the class. But my suggestion is all of you attend the class. Attend the class, clear your doubts if you have. If you don't have doubts, fine, no problem. No need to attend. Monday, you will be having exam. You get one link to your personal WhatsApp number, what you have given me while enrolling. Just click on the link, enter your student ID, start writing exam. Okay, just to submit your paper 30 seconds before. It won't take automatically. You have to submit. Click on submit. You get your marks there itself. Next day, I'll share your entire class marks to your WhatsApp number. Okay, and I'll share you question paper. I'll share you the solution to the question paper, key to that question paper. So you can check it out what mistakes you have done. Your attendance is most important. I cannot help you if you are not regular to the class. Not only me, no teacher can help you. Maybe you are thinking if I get a recorded class, I'll watch it. But the success rate, you ask your Google, what is the success rate of recorded classes? The success rate of recorded classes is less than 5%. Means we feel that I have recorded classes, I watch later. That later won't come at all. Today's work, today you have to finish. In this week, Komali ma'am is going to teach you one chapter. You all should finish that chapter in this week only. Okay? And that chapter, whenever your teacher asks you in a class, you only first answer. That is my guarantee. What is that? If your teacher asks question from the chapter, you only first answer that question. That is my guarantee. But for that, I want you to attend the class regularly. And notes making, you should not do mistakes. What I see is students write the notes, but many mistakes they write. No, how I'm presenting now, same way I'll present the content over the screen. See that and copy, and I dictate that, add those points. That's it. You should not write any mistakes, okay? Because if you write a mistakes in your running notes, that will you revise before your exam. Once you habituate to my teaching, you don't like to read any other books. You always depend on your running notes. Even a day before of your NEET exam also, you like to sit with your running notes only. That much you love your running notes. So please don't do mistakes in your running notes. Why mistakes will come? Because of parents and siblings. Why? When class is going on, if they're talking in the house, when they are so once you're there in your chemistry class, please don't allow your parents or your brother or sister. For the first day, they should know about this. That's why I call them. Your mom may be cooking time morning. Okay, your sister or brother school time, they'll be roaming in front of you there only, in your home only, friend to you. Then you are seeing there and you're writing your running notes. That is a problem. Select one place in your home. If only two rooms are there, ma'am, only one hall is there, ma'am, this is only the place, then put some curtain, take small fan, table fan will be there, no, small fan, one study table. Sit that place. You should not see towards anyone when class is going on. I want your concentration. Okay? Don't worry, don't scare, ma'am. You are telling these many rules I cannot do. No, no, very easy, simple. Few basic things if you follow, you get more success rate, more. You feel very, very happy by seeing your marks. Okay? Will you do that? You should not see towards your mother when she is doing her work. You should not see towards your parents. You know, that 1.5 hour, you should see only towards your Komali ma'am screen. Komali ma'am screen. My voice only you should hear. No other, your brother, sister, you should not talk and you should not use your mobile phone. Okay? Class time, that focus is most important. And try your best to solve the DPPs every day. Attend your doubts clearance session. Monday exam is must and mandatory. Monday examination, entire week, what you have studied, that is the mirror of your performance. What you studied 1 week, you should prove yourself. Try to get more than 50% of my weekend examination. JE students, NEET students, board students, be ready. Try to get more than 50% of the marks in the weekend examination. Okay, that is your challenge. Questions won't be like waste questions. Questions will make you think and answer. Okay, in such a way, I set the paper. Those papers will help you so much. Okay, right. And mistakes, all the mistakes which you have done in that examination, write in one notebook. Keep one notebook. Mistakes you have to write. Clear? And I will give you one tool. Use this tool. Today you will receive this. Today or tomorrow, just or day before I share you. This is your habit tracker. Can you see this, everybody? This is your habit tracker. This habit tracker I specially designed with your name. Every student habit tracker is different. You get your habit tracker to your number. Okay. Once you wake up morning, just you have to click there. Just tick there. Immediately it will update to me. I will get your, okay, Divya, morning she already doing the work. I get the message. Sivadarshini, she already, she drank 2 glass of water, fine. Nitya is revising chemistry running notes. I get a key, I will get all your updates time to time immediately. The second you click this link, I get the update to my number. Everybody clear? Are you understanding? So this is our June month productivity tool. You have to use this tool. I will share you this tool. Your mobile phone is enough, or if you have a system, you put in the system. If you cannot use time to time your mobile phone, what I do is I will share you the PDF also. Take the printout of this PDF paper, tick it in that paper. Just before night you update me. It takes less than a minute to update. Less than a minute, just ticking only. Okay. If one day if you are not able to do also, no problem. See, when you are traveling, one day if you miss anything also, no problem. Nothing will happen. But most of the time, be active. Plan your day properly. Read all the points one time. What is your wake up time every day? What is your wake up time? Sharp 5 a.m. That's why I'm conducting this session exactly 1 week before, because this will help you to from tomorrow onwards. You have to start. See, first day class itself, many students are absent. They don't know what's going in the class. That should not happen when classes starts. Morning, what is the sharp time? Read, everybody, read first point. Morning, 5 a.m. Don't worry, ma'am, I cannot wake up. You can. I'm there. No, I'll guide you. I wake up 3:30 every day morning. So it's very easy. It is not a difficult task. You can. Second, what is the next task you have to do? You should drink 2 glass of water. Whether it is warm water or cold water, how many glass of water? 2 glass of water. One second. Can you see now? Okay. 2 glass of water you have to drink. Ma'am, 2 to 4 glass at a time. If you able to drink 1 liter, it is fine. If you can't drink 1 liter at a time, drink 2 glass of water. Give some gap. Like 15-20 minutes, another glass of water. By chemistry class time, you should finish 1 liter of water. Put in chat box 1 liter. 1 liter. Come on. You want glowing skin? By the time you go to your medical college, you should feel energetic and healthy, right? Yes. Yes, you want glowy skin or not? Drinking water is most important for our health. It eliminates all the toxins from our body. So drink 2 to 4 glass of water. Very good. Ma'am, I finished drinking water in just less than 5 minutes. What I should do next after 5 o'clock? You have to sit and revise your chemistry running notes. Before day I discuss some topics, right? Those topics you should sit and revise. Once you revise your running notes, automatically you will get energy. Why you get energy? You revised running notes. You remember all the concepts. It's very easy. Doing revision of running notes is very easy because I teach you like a story. Simple examples. All the tricks and tips I teach you. So it is very easy to revise the running notes. Just follow this scheme. Waking up morning, drinking water, revising running notes. Once you revise running notes, by sharp 6 o'clock, you should on your camera. You should open your running notes. You should not wait for your mother or father to come and call you. Hey, chemistry time over. You are still asleep. That you should not give them a chance at all. That's why, in presence of them, today you are sitting in a class. This is a proof. See, mommy, I won't depend on you. I will only wake up. I do my works. What time? What time? Sharp 6 o'clock. You should sit in a class. I will ask you some questions before day. In between, I'll call your name. See your running notes. If you want to take the help of your running notes, take a help slowly and you answer your questions. Okay. If you get any doubt, if you're not able to answer. DPP is how much time it will take to practice? 30 to 60 minutes it will take to, for solving. If any day, if you are busy with your school homeworks, it is completely fine. Don't worry. Ma'am, today I have some exam, ma'am. I did not solve the questions. No problem. Tomorrow you do. Day after tomorrow you do. No need to worry. And what is the next most important condition? Sixth and seventh and eighth, ninth. These four are pillars for your success. Four pillars for success. Six, seven, eight, nine. I want these four. Sixth, read everybody. Exercising is most important. Ma'am, what is the relation between exercise and chemistry, ma'am? Chemistry is different, no. Exercise is different, no. What is the relation between these two? Important. Very much important. I will tell you. See, around 2022, the period, until 2020, I used to go offline. My schedule is morning 8 o'clock I used to go, evening 6:30, continuous classes, continuous classes. They give only one leisure break. When I used to work, only one leisure break for the faculty. That's it. Either that comes in morning or that comes in afternoon. That time also, if they have any work or any student doubt or anything, that also will be fully occupied. That time, no need to do exercise because full body is in this class, that class, coming, going. This is only the full work. But in 2020, when started working in online, sitting, teaching, and started solving questions, going through different textbooks. So that made me to more work in sitting and doing. So that made me like, feel very much like I gained my weight also. Then I started working on that. Once I started working on it, almost I lost 12 plus kgs. 12 plus. That made me very active. Not only losing weight, eliminating toxins from the body is most important. Most important. That gives, our skin is a reflection actually. We no need to look like, perfect hero or heroine over the screen. Okay, that is difference. Healthy body is most important. So exercise, what type of exercise can I do, ma'am? What type of exercise? You can do skipping. Okay, normal skipping rope you purchase, one good quality skipping rope. Don't purchase 100 rupees, 50 rupees skipping rope. You don't get that interest. Standard, good quality. You check in Amazon or Flipkart, nearby store, standard quality. You 2000 rupees extra also, buy that one. Okay, one skipping rope you buy, or sit-ups you do, push-ups you do, or otherwise put in YouTube 10 minutes beginners exercise. Full body sweat should come morning. Okay, you do either after chemistry class, if you do fine, or ma'am I'll wake up another 30 minutes before, that is fine, or evening I do. In a day, for I need you to do 20 minutes minimum exercise. I will do. Put in chat box everybody. Come on. I will do, ma'am. I need healthy body, because if your health is not good, you cannot study. Your mind won't be active at all. What I discuss, it don't go into your mind. Your body should be active. You should be fit. You should look energetic. Yes, no? Exercise is most important. Everyone, you, your sister, mom, father, for everyone, exercising is most important. Very good. Very good. Super. Super. You will do right. Very good. And any one fruit in a day. Ma'am, I know, ma'am, my mom always say eat this, but I don't like to eat. See, you are going to become doctor, right? Not patient, na? Huh? You are going to become a doctor, so definitely you should tell your patients tomorrow. See, you are not eating well, that's why you came to my hospital. You should eat this food, you should eat this food, you should not eat junk food. You have to tell your patients, right? So now, from now, you have to practice good habits. For that, what you have to do? Everyday task is one fruit, any fruit. You can start with small guava or pomegranate or any fruit, one banana, your wish, any fruit. You eat two, three, or how much quantity you can eat, you want to eat. Okay, it's fine, but start with one fruit, any one fruit. If you finish that fruit, genuinely you should tick. You should not lie to me. Komali ma'am is your best friend. Listening. You should be very transparent. I'll be very transparent. I'll be very transparent. You should be transparent. Here, no actions. Direct, free. Ma'am, I don't know this topic, ma'am. You should be very free. Ma'am, I didn't study yesterday, ma'am. Definitely I'll study today. Correct? You should not lie. And see, point number 8 is my 9, 8, na? 8, yes. By sharp 10 o'clock, or ma'am, early only I sleep, ma'am. Then I'll be very, very happy. 9 o'clock I sleep, ma'am, very happy. 8 o'clock I sleep, ma'am, very happy. But maximum, what is the last time? Last 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, in your room, light should not be on. You should go into sleep by 10 o'clock. If you don't sleep, if you study 11, 12, or that will affect next day morning hour class. Whether you are a morning class student or evening class student, I want you to sleep by what time? What time? Sharp 10 o'clock. See, if you sleep sharp 10 o'clock, see Divya by this time done almost 10 times yarning. Ha 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 ha. Yes, no, Divya? Huh. If you do yarning, I will get sleep. If I get a sleep, who teach chemistry syllabus? Difficult, no. So, no yarnings. That energy should be there in your body. So, sharp 10 o'clock, you have to sleep. Or by 9:30. These things, na, it is not only for your chemistry class. This discipline, it will help you your lifetime. Lifetime, it will help you this discipline. Trust my words. This chemistry journey will give you an overall your day schedule, entire your day habits will change, full habits will change. Point number 9, most important point. Whenever you wake up, actually I thought to put this point at the first point. Once you wake up, right, the time before you open your eyes itself on your bed, still you didn't wake up, you are not seeing anything, just you are about to wake up, right? You are thinking to wake up, I'll wake up now. That time, You should be thankful to your parents and your teachers. This and your favorite God. If you believe God, God is there. Whatever religion you are, God is there. He is watching us. Universe will give us what we want. You work, universe give. You work, universe give. We work, universe give. If I work for my students, definitely universe will give the all the happiness which I need. If you work, definitely universe will give you what you are expecting. So without working, it is not possible. So what you have to do? Before the time you wake up, just you are going to wake up, you should be thankful to your parents. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful life. I'm very lucky daughter, or I'm very lucky son. You tell whatever the words you want to say to your parents. You no need to tell them directly. No need. You just close your eyes on bed itself with that will reach. That reach to the heart. Universe will do that. You know, you tell that. You tell your teachers. Teachers are most important because they share the knowledge. Knowledge is most important. Teachers and parents are next to God. Understand? Teacher is most important in our life. See, without my teacher, I'm not sitting in this place. Every day before sitting this place, without bath, I don't sit on this place. Without praying to the God, I don't sit on just one time to the God. This is like a divine place. Sitting in this place, divine place, because this place produced so many engineers and so many doctors. This is like this place gave so many lives. So this place is a divine place. Teaching profession is one of the great profession. Your teachers, you should give so much respect to your teachers. Understand? So when before you wake up, just one time show the gratitude to your teachers and your parents. Thank you so much, Daddy, for giving me this wonderful life. Thank you so much, Amma, for giving me this wonderful life. You are doing so many things for me from morning to night. You both are working for me so hard. Definitely, I'll make you proud. Definitely, I'll make you proud. Definitely, these 1 or 2 minutes, you do this prayer in your heart, then you wake up. See the energy that flows in your body. That day, you will go like a super rocket jet speed. You don't do any procrastination. Along with that, simple things I'll guide you when class is going on. Every day I talk to you, I'll guide you. Negative friendship you have to cut. Okay, any bad friends if you have in a classroom who always drags your energy, always tell you some negative point in you, some point outing, something their words are hurting you, means simply cut their friendship. No need. No need. You do your work, focus, but someone is still troubling. No need to do friendship only. Your parents, your teachers, these two people only most important in your life. You don't want any other people in your life. Parents, teachers, these two only important. Others are not at all important. Later you can decide. First, show what you are. Show what you are in your examination. Then you think about other things. Don't go into other zone. Ma'am, my friend is telling this. She is doing like this. Ma'am, I'm feeling low. Don't give that space to them. Negative people don't give space. Okay? Everybody clear? This tool, just you give a tick here, immediately I'll get that mark. You can see the percentage of done in your phone itself. And mobile phone, you no need to use morning to evening for updating. Just I'll share you the PDF format also. Take the PDF format and tick it at night, or sometime you just mark and you can share me, no problem. Because every time if you sit with a phone, it may distract. Phone distraction, you have to avoid. We'll discuss later. Clear? Very good, very good. Next, this is the reason for calling parents. This is also one of the reason. This is what? Carrot beetroot juice. What is this carrot beetroot juice? This is one of the best, my favorite recipe. You seen I used to have spectacles? My channel green sari profile photo is there. Have you seen? There I have spectacles, no? big length spectacles I used to have because I'm a books I eat. My favorite thing is reading, 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 reading. This is only my favorite thing. So my eyesight is so much when I'm studying that time onwards, so much problem is there. Then once I started drinking this juice, miracle happened. So today you drink juice, tomorrow morning miracle will happen. No, that and all not possible. Consistency every day we have to do. Today, if you go to gym, we'll get six pack. Is it possible? Ma'am, today I went to the gym. No, I want six pack. Is it possible? Understand, students, is it possible? No. If you follow 6 months consistently, we get somewhat good body, we get, right? Six pack won't come, but 6 months regularly, if you go to gym, we can see our body posture will improve. Am I right or not? Same way, follow this. You cannot do. I don't want you to do. Okay? If your mother is can able to do, fine. Otherwise, put one maid for this. You can do it. Anything your wish. Our father, if any day one day sharing, if I can do means one day Sunday anytime, if you can help. It needs little, juicer machine, vegetable juicer machine, huh? Any company, I'm using Sujata company. No relation between me and Sujata company. Check it out in Amazon. It is available, or any other machine. Normal mixie, it is not good to do. You cannot drink that. Vegetable juicer machine, you purchase it. It costs around some 5,000 rupees or like that. Later, if you are not now, I cannot afford, your wish. Okay, just have a look of that. Vegetables are there, no? Like I'll share you this PDF. Once ingredients, everything, make a list. This is for one person. I made only for you. If in your home, your mom, father, like sister, anyone wants to drink, multiply with that particular number. If five people wants to drink this one, five into five. Four people want to drink into four. How many carrots? Again, I don't want to listen, ma'am. What are ingredients? That's why I made PDF also. Recently only I made, because until previous batch, everyone used to ask what is the procedure. Two carrot, one beetroot, half a cucumber, one tomato. And in this, you can add either apple, you can add, or you can add, any vegetable also, bottle gourd, anything. But that gives you little taste variation will come. But don't do starting itself. Starting, you do start with this. Taste is fine, no problem. Once you peel the skin of the carrot, beetroot, and cucumber, tomato, no need to do anything, just cut into half. You take the machine out and wash the machine for the first time when you are doing. Just you put these vegetables into that machine. You get a pure juice separates out. Don't think about that, ma'am, that fiber waste. No, it goes out. Waste of fiber. Don't worry. If you want to have any vegetable raw, later you can have, but this is every day you have to do, because every day you cannot sit and eat one beetroot, one actually medium beetroot means just to take half a piece only. If you take more beetroot, no, next day urine color changes to red color. That beetroot color will come. That is not needed. Just half a beetroot is enough. Completely fine. Okay, everybody listening? Then in that juice, whatever you get, na, add half a lemon for one person. Half a lemon, one spoon of honey. Which honey? In Ayurvedam shops, they'll will get no Ayurvedic shop, organic honey, pure honey. That honey. See, this is like first time when we are listening, habits are like first time when we are listening, we feel we cannot do all this. It is difficult. Because we habituate to one cycle. Every family has one kind of food habits, one waking up time, sleeping time, different cycle will be having. But once we habit to slowly, good habits, no, slowly one by one habit, if we change, definitely we see a lots of improvement. Who and all having spectacles, hemoglobin less percentage, health issues, it will be helpful so much. You see that difference. And what you have to do is you should not gulp. You should not, like don't drink so much fast. Class time, na, class time, 6 o'clock time morning. already you finished drinking one liter of water. By this time, your mom or father or your maid or someone prepared the juice, your grandmother or someone prepared the juice, and if they gives you, just you drink sip by sip during class, and you listen class. And again, eating is not allowed in class. Eating chips, drinking tea, or class time, I monitor each and every student, you know 500 to 1000 students I used to monitor in one shot. So for me it is very much students are absent, so it is very easy for me. Each and every student names, your marks, your score, everything, it will be there in Komali ma'am mind. Understand? So I will monitor. You should not eat the food items during a class. Only juices are allowed. This is the first basic juice you all should start doing from tomorrow. Better start doing. Take help of your parents. What you should do? Bringing vegetables. Father if bring, mother should prepare this juice. Entire family, how many people are there? Start drinking. You can drink except the diabetic patients. If any of your grandmother or father, mom, anyone is having a diabetes, they should not drink this juice. Other than that, remaining all people can have this juice. Okay, will you start drinking? Will you? All the benefits, everything I have mentioned in this. Okay, I'll share you this PDF. Start drinking. You feel very energetic. Okay, if you want, you can add another half spoon of honey extra to get more energy. Super. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any of you? Huh, 1 second. I'll show you another surprise. You want to see the teaching schedule? You'll get our schedule to your WhatsApp number. Please save my number. If you don't save the number, you don't receive the information. You will receive the schedule. In schedule, clearly the topics were clearly, it will be mentioned which day which topics, which day which topics, which day which topics, clearly it will be mentioned. Okay, you will get June month different schedule, you know uh, July month different schedule, August month different schedule. Every day what I teach in hand, next week what Komali ma'am is going to teach, you will get a clear clarity. And before going to start the classes, what I'm going to do is 1 week I'm going to conduct a foundation program. This is completely free classes for you. These classes are like from June 1st, first 1 week, Vihan sir will take the foundation classes. Understand? These are free classes. These 10 days, again, I'll take course will extend. For example, on which day my class starts, after 1 week my class starts, right? That day onwards your 3 months course will start, so you no need to worry. Understand, this is completely free. For example, June, July, August my classes. Now 1 week I included your foundation program, right? Again this 1 week extra classes I'll take because I need that time for our program. Okay, this program is first 1 week purely foundation classes. Just what you have to do is simply listen a class and start practicing. Waking up morning and sitting in a class. Sir class timing is morning you have to practice. Evening 7 p.m. sir class. What to say? 7 p.m. I will share you the missed class recording also. Because that is evening 7 p.m. class. But mostly don't depend on recorded class. If I like, I share. Otherwise, I may not share also. I don't know whether I share or not. Simply, I told I share. I don't share, I think. So, you all should sit in the class. You have to attend the class 7 p.m. But that timing, if any of you, because that timing I didn't say earlier, right? So, your morning, ma'am, only morning is possible for me. For those students only, I'll give the link. Understand? Mostly try to attend the live session only. In this time, small modifications will be there according to the sir, what he want to discuss in the class. This is like reading tables. For example, on third, you are going to, don't think, ma'am, I'm a small boy or girl, what, 2 to 10 tables I should read now. No, no. If sir says you should read 2 to 10 table, means you should read and come fast, fast table, like 2 5s are, 6 3s are, 9 3s are, 4 5s are, like that, faster. Logs, anti-log, additions, atomic radii, ionization energy, electronegativity, how it varies left to right. There is no relation actually. Till now we didn't do this foundation program. I will only start, I used to start the basic, but there's an additional future completely bonus for you. As a complimentary, I am giving you this 1 week program to you. Please attend the classes. Understand? Don't skip the classes. And again, in my class also, when I start the class, I will discuss with the basics only. I don't say your foundation class is over, so you know the basics. No, when I teach the topic, I will start from zero onwards. I'll start teaching you. So don't worry. But please utilize this foundation classes which I am giving you. Excellent faculty I'm going to give you for this. Sit in a class, finish. Duration will be 45 minutes, 7 to 7:45 evening. 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. If any student already committed to any other class that time, I will share you the link. And this is a Sunday, your first class, Sunday to Saturday. Again, next Sunday, Monday, holidays. From then, 10th onwards, my class will begin for you. 10th to 10th again. June 10th, if I start, again your course will be up to August 10th. Is it clear? Everybody clear? Put a thank you message in chat box. Thank you, Komali ma'am, for complimentary class. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. And every day, you just during a class, you can please interact to sir. You move in a free manner with your teachers. You don't show any barrier. You should be very transparent. Atomic weights. Sir is giving elements. Read 1 to 30 elements means like a small boy, fifth class boy, how he will read elements. How fifth class boy will read. In such a way, your behavior should be in the class. Reading, answering. That activeness is most important. No shy. You should not feel any shy. See, I observe few students now. What they feel was, if I talk, what will happen? What others will think? Who is others? All came for learning only. Everyone in class for learning only. If you do any mistake, also no problem. Do mistakes. Do mistake. Your teachers are there to help you. Do mistake. We are here to help you. We never point out you for your mistake. It's completely fine. But after explaining, if you do mistake, that is a problem. Okay, we show you the right path, we show you the clear explanation. If you focus and listen, within one attempt only it will be clear. Okay, if not, second time. But you should not miss the class. If you miss a class, that with the chain will break. Okay, and any more details, anything you want to ask me, please raise your hand. Feel free to ask. I'm completely transparent. I will give my 100% best to you all the ways I give you. Just for just follow my running notes. It's enough. That is the proof of 2025 paper PDF which I have shown you. No need to follow any telegrams. No need to follow any Facebooks. No need to follow any YouTube channels. Nothing. Just your Komali ma'am is your main source for your chemistry. What I want to help from you is, if you go to school or college, I want highest mark in chemistry. Your chemistry teacher should surprise by seeing your marks. She should ask you, hey, what happened? Are you going anywhere? This word should come from your chemistry teacher by seeing the methods you are doing. I want that. If any topper or any competitor is there in your class, write her name in your book now. After few days, you are going to beat her. If she do one method, long method, you are going to do the short method. I am ready to do that work for you all. Teaching is completely, Dedication is needed. I am dedicated to this. I don't have any other works. I'm completely dedicated. I don't go for any job. My job is only teaching. This is my full time work. Full time work. Only one batch. Only one batch. Only one work. This is only my work. See my hands? I never wash vessels. I never cook food. Nothing. Eating, taking classes, full focus on class. This is only my job. So I'm 100% dedicated. If you just follow classes, you get awesome and excellent result. 3 months. June, July, August. Okay? Please raise your hand. Balaji Kavya, some message. Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Please feel free to ask some message. June 10th. I read. Ma'am, to wake up at 3:30 in morning, when do you sleep, ma'am? I sleep. Night I sleep. 10 o'clock I sleep sometimes. Sometimes 12 o'clock I sleep. Sometimes afternoon. But I will compensate afternoon. You don't have that luxury. You cannot sleep as you wish. Because some days I cannot sleep. If suppose crash course starts, I cannot sleep at 10 o'clock. That day, that time my workload will be very high. Many exams I have to conduct, many question papers I should give. So much pressure will be there on my head. So I cannot sleep those days. But I'll make sure I kept actually one coach for myself only for sleeping patterns. Only for what my coach will do for me is Komali, your time is over. Please sleep. Please sleep. She will remind me only for sleeping. See that much important sleeping pattern. Almost 3.5 years, I slept irregular. Irregular in the sense I used to work night 12 o'clock and morning 3:30, remaining 3 hours afternoon sleep. Night 3, morning 3. Night 3, morning 3, like that I managed. Some days, few years in our life, we all should work hard, definitely. Okay, that time we are not able to do it, but see, my request for you is that will spoil our health. We will get problems in our life. So better sleep by 10 o'clock, wake up 3:30. I will also do that because my coach is there, no? She don't leave me. I will also sleep with you. Any other 1 or 2 days exceptions, remaining all days, we will follow 10 to, I follow 3:30. You follow another 1.5 hour extra you sleep. Okay? Next, ma'am, do you make us to practice JE mains PYQs as well? See, I guide you. Who are there JE students? You solve our questions and tell. JEE paper is very easy than the NEET 2025 paper. You take out your JEE paper and see NEET 2025 paper. So JEE paper is very easy. Mains paper is very easy actually. Very, very easy. Our class standards will be maintained. JEE students, you will be highly satisfied with the content. DPPs are blowing questions will be there in the DPPs. Okay, if you just follow the class, you can get even 100 percentile also in your mains examination. 99.99 percentile is guarantee for you. Just follow our running notes. Next, any doubts? Please feel free to ask. Ma'am, as coaching starts from 10th, so 10 days extra, meaning September 10th ending. Yes, yes. If I like extra 5 days also, I'll take. Once your batch complete only, I'll start next batch. It is not like, madam, you told 3 months, I don't stop exactly. Once entire syllabus finish only next batch I'll start, but time to time your syllabus I will complete. The schedule is there, no? According to the schedule, properly syllabus will complete. No lag will be. 1 or 2 day if I need extra time means please allow me to teach, because if any topic extra I want to teach, some more examples I want to teach, please give me that time. Last 10 more minutes. I'm going to end the session. If any doubts, please ask me. Ma'am, if you join foundation, your class will there in morning. No, ma'am. Foundation class time from June 1st, you will be having your foundation program by Vihan sir. He is an expert in chemistry. Excellent he teach. I asked sir, you please take foundation class for this particular batch for a week, just for polishing the previous concepts. Again, I'll teach anyhow. I can start directly. Every batch I will only start. I no foundation program there. But I felt like we will add foundation program as a complimentary gift for all my students from my side. So listen, he teach excellent. No need to worry. If you feel any difficulty also, don't worry, feel free to ask sir. If anything is there, you just ignore it. I will start from zero in my class. Again, I'm telling you. Understand? Hmm. Can you share what helped you the most when you were a student? Whatever, what nice questions you ask. I don't know. I don't know. What helped you most means? Mostly helped part was my parents. Their love and support. Actually, parents now they can't express how much they loves you. They don't show in words. Okay, but their sacrifices are there, no? That we have to understand, and we should do hard work. See, you do smart work now, you do hard work now, that is your wish. But without procrastination, without laziness, yes, I'll make my parents proud of me. I never make my parents keep their head down in front of others. This is only one point. Strive this one point. I'll always make my parents happy. Okay. That you are in coaching means you are here in my class means first say thanks to your parents today. Say if you are there next to you, just to say thank you. Come on, say thank you. If they're next to you, just say thank you, mommy, for joining me into Komali ma'am class. Feel grateful. Many messages I get in a day. Ma'am, I cannot pay the fees. Can you? I cannot focus. See, if I take every student from the YouTube, I cannot talk to Gokul. I cannot talk to Yamna. I cannot talk to Shubhashini. I cannot talk to Jagpati Babu, Nandita, Arshkan. Like this, I can't see and I can't talk to students. Correct? No? I cannot focus. Few students they show interest, few students they don't show interest. By seeing them, I will lose interest. Now it's not like that. You all target is to clear exam. My target is to make you clear your exam. So our both focus are same goal we both of how to manage school, how to my bus will come at 6:30 or 7 in the morning. You just attend morning class up to that time. Remaining part you attend evening. I will share you both the links. Okay. What I do is I share you morning as well as evening link, both the links. You attend some part morning, some part evening, you finish. But try to attend in one shot. If not possible, you split that. Anyhow, you have to finish. If one movie is there, means what we do, half we watch now, half we watch evening. Anyhow, we have to finish it. Some story is that same way chemistry class also. This is a route map for your success. No shortcut procedure will give you. First you understand in your brain that no most expected questions video will give you the result. No downloaded notes will give you the result. Only sitting in a class, listening class, making a notes, practicing and writing exam. Practicing, writing exam. This gives you the ultimate result. So attend morning. If you miss remaining part, attend evening. If any day 5-10 minutes you miss, nothing will happen. Just, ma'am, I missed the last 5 minutes, ma'am. That day my stomach was aching. I got fever, ma'am. I'm not able to attend. No problem. When you are regular to the class, every day you're attending, any one fine day, if you miss little bit, nothing, it won't impact. But every day without missing, you have to attend. Okay? Ma'am, how to take responsibility as a student, ma'am? Tell about your consistency. See, what I do now, every day morning, I maintain one diary. One diary. Every task I write. Because no, once I'm doing one work, Coordinator will come and say, ma'am, this is the work you have to do. Next, editor will say, ma'am, this is the work you have to do. Graphic designer will say, ma'am, this is the work you do. Ma'am, check this thumbnail once. Ma'am, your question paper is pending. You have to give question paper. Ma'am, the notes we have to share to the students once. Do this, ma'am. Like this, many, ma'am, this student is asking this, ma'am, this student, like this, many things will come. So what I do, right? I'll write everything in one notebook, one diary. I'll put a date. Simply, I will write all the things what I have to do in that particular day. This, see, I have to do yoga. I have to do exercise morning. Next, I have to drink 3 liters of water. 10,000 steps I have to complete. Today, I will work out this one. Every task I should not eat nighttime more food. I have to control food. Something, whatever task, chemistry, these challenging questions, you solve these 50 questions. So, once revise this textbook, this trick you have to discuss with students. Whatever in a day, write it. Then if you write it, you will do it. If you write in notebook, you do it. Okay. Practice makes man perfect. Why only man? Women also perfect. Huh? What is your advice for staying focused in class and during self study? Morning gratitude prayer is there, na? Do that gratitude prayer. Automatically, your entire day will be set. On bed itself, one thanks to mother, father, one thanks to your teachers and to the universe. That's it. See that day, super rocket jet speed, your day will be. Okay. Thank you for answering, ma'am. How to manage school exams, because in my school haloarins is going on. How to manage them? Whatever topic goes in your school, let them teach. No problem. Just listen. That is different. Once your Komali ma'am class, that particular topic, if I teach, you don't read any notes. You follow our notes only. So just listen. How much your teacher helps you, go through that. Why? One rule you put. Whatever the situation, I don't off my camera. I always stay active during the class. I listen to my teacher. 3 month, only 3 month, just 3 month. Can't you do only 3 months? If you do 3 months, you won't become a repeater. Repeater. Again, 1 year, you no need to answer to anyone. How easy it is. Easily days pass like this. After 3 months, you say, ma'am, oh, so fast, 3 months over, ma'am. No, you say, huh? You waited for this day. This day over. Again, you will wait for June 10th when it will come. Don't wait for June 10th. Wait for June 1st. Okay? June 1st, your which session? First day foundation class. Don't miss the class, ma'am. I know already table, so I no need to attend that table session. No, please attend. Next question, please. Question, please. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Raise your hand. Please feel free to talk. Come on, anyone. Come on. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. Talk. Harshkan, Naresh, Sujitra, Nisha, Nitya, anyone? Sujata, Soundarya, Sanjana, Lokesh, Pragna, any parent, any students, come on, anyone? Ma'am, how much time should I spend every day for chemistry? Immediately one tension will start. Oh my God, now how much time I should spend? What? Don't think anything. Okay. What I should do, how I should do. Don't forget about after this meeting. Leave everything. Don't think anything. Just when class starts, no, slowly, step by step, step by step. How much you can do? Today I can do only 2 questions. Fine. Do 2 questions. Forget about that. Don't take tension. Don't take pressure. Ma'am, I want to score centum in my chemistry board and crack NEET. Is it possible? 100% it is possible. 100% it is possible. You can do it. You can do it. Please help me to understand chemistry easily, ma'am. Definitely, that is only my responsibility. My job is to make your chemistry easy. One concept is there. That concept you should say, Vareva. I understood, ma'am. It's easy. That is only my role here. Ma'am, your classes will be sufficient, ma'am, because we know 2025 was very difficult. That's when I showed you 2025 entire presentation, all questions. Why I showed you all questions? This is the reason. Your running notes is sufficient. It is enough. Come on, very good. Durga, hi Durga.
Hi, ma'am. I am Durga
Hello.
Parvati. I have just completed 12th, ma'am.
You completed 12th class. I
Yes,
thought you
ma'am.
are a 10th class girl. Okay.
I don't know about me, ma'am. I am now repeater. I just believe in you, ma'am, because my sister is a old student.
Oh, is it? Okay, what's her name?
Durga Parvati.
हाँ हाँ दिव्य भारती.
Durga Parvati.
Durga Bharati. You are Durga Parvati.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, most powerful names. Durga Mata is there in both of you. Tell me, Durga Parvati, what is your doubt? What's your question?
Ma'am, how to stay consistency, ma'am. And I want strict, ma'am.
Don't see one thing you do. I have given you one tool, right? This
Yes, ma'am.
follow that. Don't do anything, just to try to follow. After a few days, again, we'll discuss how to be consistent. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good girl. Very good. See, I'm so happy. Like this, you should talk. Raise your hand, any one of you. Last two more students. Let's see. Last two students. Why you joined Komali ma'am class? Why, ma'am? I have seen your channel. What is your expectation? What do you like in Komali ma'am? How is your first day class? Come on. Who will talk? Come on. Feel free. Feel free. Feel free. Come up. Come up. Haripriya. Hi. Hello, Haripriya.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Haripriya. Why you selected Komali ma'am as your chemistry mentor?
Ma'am, I thought it would be beyond classes, motivation,
Mm-hmm.
this consistency and everything. Ma'am,
Okay.
how to manage between college tests and art tests, ma'am? In
Mm-hmm.
college also, every Monday they'll keep tests, 300 marks mains test.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay. Okay.
how
How
to
to
manage?
manage that and don't think anything. See, how to do, this word is there, no. That will make you feel very tensed about that. I have to do at any cost, I have to do. What your minds, I will do it. Say, I will do it. How many works are there also? I'll do it. It's very easy for me. Say everybody, it's very easy for me. I'll manage my time. It's very easy. Say one time, say it's very easy. I'll manage my time. Easily I can manage my time. I can manage my time. I can manage my time. It's very easy. 30 minutes exam, that's it. 24 hours paper availability. Today morning, for example, tomorrow morning, that class won't be there that time. When I put exam, mostly class won't be there. If class there also, you get a 24 hours availability today morning to next day morning. During any time, just 30 minutes is the paper availability. I mean, you have 22 questions only you have to do. How many questions? 22. Okay, will you able to do, Haripriya? Weekly one
Yes,
exam. Weekly
yes.
one exam. Once one chapter complete, one exam you will write. Okay, na?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
evening if we listen to recorded class, ma'am,
Hmm.
if we get any doubts, how should we clarify, ma'am? Like, we should wait for Saturday?
Not Saturday, Sunday. See, evening classes, now it is recording, no? Same class, it will be played evening. There you cannot raise your hand, you cannot ask the questions or anything. But you can listen what morning batch students discussed. Most of the time, you don't get a chance to ask only. First 1 hour, 2 days, you might ask with a fear, like this will be cleared or not. The tension will be there. But after that, you will only understand that Komali ma'am only teach everything. So in a class, what I do was, I know where you will stuck. I know which are difficult topics. Step by step, step by step, step by step, everything I will only guide you. You no need to feel to ask anything. If you have still any doubt, also next day you join the class, live class. You clear it. I'll share both the links, morning and evening. Okay. Still no, ma'am, morning I'm not able to possible. Sunday 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. your doubt session is there. Join it and clear your doubts. Okay, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Come on. Any more? Any more? Any more? Anyone? Baliji Kavyashri, Kashvi Arnav, Srimita. Any doubts? Any fears? Ma'am, this fear I have, I want to discuss. Ranjit Kumar. Ranjit Kumar, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Ma'am, how many medical and engineering seats are? I cannot count actually. I cannot count. If it is on offline, no. They'll put the students' brandings and all. It's online, na? Until unless you come out and you tell me, I will not be knowing. Okay. After the result, you see now I'm asking, na? Raise your hand and talk. You are only not talking. After result, you just see if I post some 50 feedbacks in YouTube means if ratio will be how many people will talk actually in 10 students one person will come out and talk. That's it, no? If I put 50 means some 300 400 students are happy, then only 50 students will come out and talk. Understand? So many students, in my experience, I have 13 years plus experience. This hand gave good education to many students. Join with my hand, do work, I will do, you also do. Come on, let's bring the best name. Please bring best name to Komali ma'am classes and bring good name to your parents. Will you do it? Will you do it? Ready, everybody? Ready? Shall I end the session today? Shall I leave you? Smile one time. Come on, smile. Very good, very good. Super. Full smile. No, ma'am, you clarified all my doubts. Best reference books you would like to say. Komali ma'am, Running Notes is the best book you have to revise. Other than that, any book your wish. No need of any book. Our class running notes, our DPPs, our class materials are sufficient. If possible, I will share you one mobile holder link. If any student is using mobile watching through mobile, purchase any one mobile holder. Okay, you should not hold the phone. Laptop, going through laptop, then fine. Phone means have good mobile holder. 300 400 rupees. If you put one mobile holder will come. Good running notes is important. Don't purchase black colored paper running notes. Good quality thick paper. Binding book is there, no? That you should study entire year. Good running notes. Nice pens. Color pens also. Highlighters. Running notes. Beautifully you should maintain your running notes. Key points. Purchase these things and be ready. Once your class starts, foundation classes, you can write in that running notes or any small book if you put or backside if you write, fine. I want first page my class running notes. Okay, so first page onwards you should start my classes onwards first page. Okay, foundation class also most important, but first page don't write. I want you to do some message there, then we will begin the class. Understand? Next, Haripriya, you only want to discuss? Good girl. Come on, very good. Haripriya,
Ma'am, 11th class organic I didn't learn properly, ma'am. So will I be able to cope up?
you will be. One thing you do when you get a free time, na? Just methane, ethane, propane, anything if you want to see the basics, you see. Sir is
Yes, ma'am.
going to teach you. I included already in the schedule IUPAC naming and FX I have included in the foundation class. Just listen that when class starts, I'll guide you everything.
Physical also, ma'am. Some lessons were not taught to the depth level due
No
to board
need.
exams.
Your previous knowledge, I don't want.
Okay.
I don't want your previous knowledge. I will consider. See, crash course, chemistry crash course, ninth class boy completed. If you want the class clip by anyone, I will try to find it out and share. Ninth class boy completed our last 2025 chemistry crash course, 3 hours class. Understand how the classes starts. If you don't know anything, fine. But once I teach, no, that you should revise and come. That is important. I'll be very strict. If you don't know, if your previous teacher did not teach, you didn't study, no problem. I completely accept that. But today I teach, right? That you should revise and come. Very good. One person, Subhashini, I'm very happy. Please unmute. I'm waiting actually. Any parent, please talk to me, parents. Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm excellent, ma'am. I'm super doing great. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I hand over my daughter Subhasini to you, ma'am.
Sure, sure.
One responsible for her chemistry class. I need her to take 160 plus in chemistry.
Please, can you come this side, Subhashini? I want to talk to your mom. Definitely, ma'am. Definitely, she will do that. But, ma'am, as a parent, I need little support from your side. Okay? Give her the juice, ma'am, if possible for you. Prepare the juice. Not only Subhashini's parent, every parent, if possible, please give them the juice and the fruit. You also have that. Any fruits, evening, sometime. Regular exercising is most important, ma'am. Please take care of that. Leave about marks. It's my responsibility. Okay?
Okay,
Chemistry and marks are my responsibility. If
okay, ma'am.
classes are not good, any of you can question me directly. Komali madam, see this concept, my daughter is not understanding only. You all parents have that rights to scold me if class is not good. Okay? But to my students, I need your support in juice. I need your support in doing exercise and sleeping by 10. After 10, light should not be in on mode in your home. As a parents, if we may have works, okay, but children by 10 o'clock you all should go into we also should sleep. If any 1 hour today, ma'am, you might have some work, okay, your office hours may extend, that day is fine. But children, you all should sleep by 10 o'clock. Morning, you should wake up and you have to revise your running notes. These are the, just to follow these steps, you will get success for sure. In this, no doubt. Ma'am, please tell me. Ma'am, where you have seen about our classes? Subhashini's parent. How you know about classes? Unmute, please, Subhashini. Subhashini, unmute. Sanjana, Subhashini.
Hello.
Uh, Hello, ma'am.
Namaste.
Subhashini, one second, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste, ma'am. So, first of all, sorry, Sanjana had fever, so we didn't on the video today.
Oh, okay, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think you remember I ate your head lot in the first conversation. Had so many doubts. So all my doubts were cleared in today's video class. I got the confidence, and even my daughter's confidence is boosted very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So all our doubts were cleared. We hope for a very good class and good luck to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
See,
Hmm.
thank you, Sanjana. I want this from you all. Wow, that gave me so much energy. Subhashini, your mic is off. Can you please check? Anything you want to discuss still? If not, it's okay. Check once. Raise your hand if you want to discuss. Thank you so much, one and all, for attending this small live interactive session. I'm very, very happy and to see you all. Please don't miss any classes. Be ready with your running notes and start sleeping early and waking up early. Practice this 1 week. The reason for conducting 1 week earlier was practice. From today, you start doing by sharp 9 to 10 p.m. In between range, you have to sleep. Okay? This is today's session. See you again in next session. Until that, keep smiling, keep shining. Have a nice day. Bye, love you. See you again in next class. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day. All your wishes has come true. Universe has to give us everything which we need, which we really, really, really desire. I mean, all our efforts should come true. Okay, wait for the class few more days. Until that, practice this. I'll share all the links which I have shown you, productivity tool, that link, that PDF also I'll share you before the class. Every day you get a class link 1 day earlier. Huh? Check the time and the date of the class link. We morning, evening, two links will be there. No? Check that. If any doubt is there, you can regarding links or anything, you can ask me. I will help you. Bye, love you. Have a nice day.